Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, shares an interesting concept known as the cash flow quadrant. He explains that there's a subtle yet significant difference between the rich and the poor. Those on the left side of the quadrant work for money because they seek security and a consistent paycheck. On the right side, however, are those who work for freedom. They strive to break free from the cycle of lifelong hard work. It's a potent concept that can reshape how we approach finances and pursue a life of greater independence. Here are 8 assets that can make people wealthy and free them from the need to work. 1. Business ownership. Business ownership is a game changer on the path to financial success. When you own a business, you become the captain of your own ship. Instead of working for someone else and building their dream, you have the opportunity to build your own empire. However, it's important to note that business ownership also comes with challenges. It requires careful planning, market analysis, and a solid understanding of your target audience. Navigating obstacles, adapting to changing market conditions, and continuous innovation are key to staying ahead. 2. Gambling. When we talk about gambling, we are not talking about being the person who spends his money and relies on luck, but about the house itself. The one who always wins. Being the owner of a casino or any gambling company, online or physical place, of one kind or another can be very, very profitable because the probability is always in your favor. Although the investment is relatively expensive, you can be sure that its return will be very fast. 3. Real estate. Real estate is a potent asset that can open the doors to financial prosperity. It involves owning and investing in properties such as houses, apartments, commercial buildings, or land. Real estate provides the opportunity for long-term appreciation, building equity and wealth through strategic purchases. With the right knowledge, real estate can be a powerful wealth-building tool that offers both financial security and personal satisfaction. 4. Renewable energy investments. Renewable energy investments are a sustainable way to build wealth while making a positive impact on the environment. Sources like solar, wind, hydro, and geothermal power are rapidly growing industries, providing a chance to capitalize on the expanding market. Investing in renewable energy can offer a steady stream of income, thanks to long-term contracts with utilities or corporations. These agreements ensure a stable revenue stream over several years. 5. Stocks and investments. Stocks offer the potential for significant returns. By purchasing shares of a company, you become a partial owner, benefiting from its success and growth. Well-performing stocks can generate substantial profits, multiplying your investment. Stocks can also provide passive income through dividends, offering a regular income stream. Seeking guidance from financial professionals can help you build a well-rounded investment strategy aligned with your goals and risk tolerance. 6. Rental housing. Rental housing is an excellent way to make money by owning houses or apartments and renting them out. Over time, property values can increase, making your investment more valuable. Maintaining the property and choosing good tenants are crucial for success. Property owners can deduct various expenses related to rental properties, reducing overall tax liability. Rental housing offers a tangible asset, providing a sense of ownership and control. 7. Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks provide a steady income stream. When you invest in dividend-paying companies, you receive a portion of their profits in the form of dividends. This regular income can supplement your investment returns and offer financial stability. Dividend stocks are favored by investors seeking both capital appreciation and passive income. 8. Bonds and fixed income. Bonds and fixed income investments provide stability and predictable returns. When you invest in bonds, you're essentially lending money to governments or corporations. In return, you receive periodic interest payments and the return of your principal when the bond matures. Bonds can be an essential component of a well-diversified portfolio, especially for those looking for a lower-risk investment option. In conclusion, these 8 assets present opportunities for building wealth and achieving financial freedom. The right combination of these assets, along with sound investment strategies and risk management, can set you on a path toward achieving your financial goals. Remember, investing requires careful research, continuous learning, and prudent decision-making. By embracing these principles and assets, you can work towards creating a more secure and prosperous financial future. Thank you for joining us today, and if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.